Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to learn about Treeset. So in the set interface, we have already learned about the HashSet, LinkedHashSet. Now we are going to understand what is Treeset. So Treeset is also a class which implements the sorted set interface, and the sorted interface will implement the set interface. So basically, the difference between HashSet, LinkedHashSet, and Treeset, the maintaining the order in which we have inserted the element. So in the hash set, we already know it does not maintain any insertion order. The elements will not follow the insertion order in which we have entered the values. Linked hash set maintains the insertion order. It means it will store the values in the same order in which we have added them. In tree set, it will store the elements in the natural order. It means in ascending order. So if you have added the integer values, it will sort the values as per their numbering, and if you have stored the string values, then it will sort them according to the alphabetical order. So we will see that in our code how we can declare the tree set, how we can add the elements inside the tree set. So tree set class implements the set interface. Tree set class contains unique elements only like hash set. So as it implements set interface, it will not allow the duplicate values. Treeset class access and retrieval times are quite fast. So when you have requirement where you need to store the values in ascending order and you want the access and retrieval of elements faster, then you can use treeset. Treeset class doesn't allow null element. So null elements cannot be stored inside the treeset, but in HashSet and linked HashSet we can store the null element. And treeset class maintains the ascending order, which is a natural order. Now let's see in the code how we can make use of treeset. So here I have a class called demo. Inside this class I have one main method. Now let's declare a tree set. So here we can say tree set, so which is of java.util package. And let's say we are going to store the integers. So I will say here integer. Let's say name of tree set is set1, new tree set. Space. Now here we have declared the tree set. The name of tree set is set1. Now let's add the values inside this reset. So there is a method called add, which we already know in the collection framework. To add the element inside the collection, we have the add method. So here I can say set1 dot add, and this time we are adding the integer values. Let's say I add here random values. Let's say 10. Then I say set1 dot add. Let's say 5. Let add one more value. Set1 dot add. Let's say 2. This is my ordering here. I have added three values 10, 5, and 2. And let's print the set now. This out. Set1. This is our tree set now. So what will be the output here? The first thing is we don't have any duplicate values. So let's add one more duplicate values. Okay. So to check whether it contains the unique elements or not. So we have added the duplicate values. So the first thing, it will not allow the duplicate values. Only three elements will be stored, which is 10, 5, and 2. And what will be the insertion order? So here it will sort the element. So first value will be 2, then 5, then 10. Let's see whether we get the correct output here. So see, we are getting the sorted values here 2, 5, and 10. So this is the natural ordering. We are getting the values in ascending order. Now, if I want the values to be in descending order, so what I need to do? So simple thing, here you need to just say or call one method which is DescendingSet. So here we have the method DescendingSet. Let's run this code now. So this time we will get the values in descending order, which is 10, 5, and 2. By default, it will provide you ascending order, but if you want to have the descending order, then you need to call this method descending. So this was the set one. Now let's declare one more set or a tree set, which is of string type. Let's say tree set. Here we will have a string type. We'll say a string, and this is our set 2. This time we are saying new tree set. Then we are going to add the values here. So set2 dot add. So this time we need to add the string values. So let's say Java set2 dot add. Say cpp. set2.add. This time we are adding Python. Set2.add. This time we are saying C. These are the four values which are present inside this reset now, and let's try to print it. We'll say here sysout times set2. So here we are printing set2. By default, it will sort the values in ascending order of the alphabetical order, right? If I run this code, so we have added here Java, CPP, Python, C. If it was a hash set, then the elements will be not in the same order. If it was a linked hash set, then it will have print Java, CPP, Python, C. But as this is a tree set, it has printed it according to their alphabetical order. But here you will say why it has printed J first before C, because here we have written the uppercase. So uppercase will get the first preference. If I made it lowercase, then you can see the difference here. See, this time the C is first, then we have CPP, then we have Java, then we have Python. So remember that this is the natural ordering here. Okay, first the character C will get preference, then J, then P. If you want the descending sort, here you just need to call the descending set method, descending set. And if I run this code now, so here you can say we got the elements in the descending order. So this was the theory about the tree set and how you can access the element inside the tree set. In the next video, we will see how to iterate over the tree set using the Iterator interface. Okay, so that's it in this video. We will see the next topic in the next video. Thank you for watching.